Hello everyone, you're welcome to the part 3 of this painting. Continuing with the golden yellow and white color and painting the lace of the sari. Using this color, I'm going to paint some intricate designs. Now I'm painting some designs on the lace of the blouse over the deep green color. Once we have completed this, we'll give nice wash of burnt cyan water so that somewhat reddish tinge will come to this golden portions of the sari and the blouse. The same color is used for the dhoti of Shri Krishna too. I'm giving wash of burnt sienna with water and brown brush number 00. We are not going to give wash to each and every part, which we are going to leave some parts as it is. Light blue and cerulean blue with round brush number 0 for a blue border to the lace of sari as well as of blouse. A red border would be given to the lace of the dhoti. For more darker shades, I'm using maiyya brown and water. The previous golden yellow and white color, I'm going to add more white into it using a round brush number 00 and going to give highlights to the lace of the blouse as well as to the laces of sari. Using such simple steps, we have completed the paisleys and the lace of sari and blouse too. Now I'm using round brush number 000 and white color for the beads of the kamar patta. Now I'm adding flesh tint white, less burnt cyan and crimson, and I'm using flat brush number 1. And I will start painting the base color for skin of Yashoda Maiyya. The paint is so thin that we are able to see the markings of the face done by the soft pastel. The same color is used for the neck too. skin color is given for the arm too. Now I have added burnt sienna and water to the previous color and started giving shade to Yashoda Maiya's face. The left side of Yashoda Maiya's face is darker in color. Tissue is used to remove the excess color and to give the shading. For nose, a round brush is used. I have switched to a small makeup round brush for shading, and I have back to the flat brush number 1 and round brush number 0. So I'm applying the color using the round brush number 00 and merging the colors using flat brush number 0. Using flat brush number 8, I'm giving shade to the neck of Yashoda Maiya. Using permanent rose and Van Dyke brown, I have started painting the lips of Yashoda Maiya. So this is basically the base color for Yashoda Maiya's lips. To the previous skin color, I've added a bit white into it, and I'm giving some light shade around Yashoda Maiya's lips. Again, I'm giving shape using permanent rose and Van Dyke brown and 000 number brush. Using the same color, I'm giving some highlights to the nose as well as to the forehead of Yashoda Maiya. Once the shading of face is completed, we'll go to the eyes of Yashoda Maiya. So eyes are to be done last. This is just the white color which I'm using here for the highlights of face. I'm using Van Dyke brown and black and round brush number 000, and I'm painting the eyebrows of Yashoda Maiya. First, I've given the white color as a base to the eyes. Using white color and small makeup round brush, I'm giving highlights to Yashoda Maiya's face. The same tapping effect is used here. I've added white and crimson to the previous skin color and giving some nice blush to Yashoda Maiya's cheeks. Burnt sienna and skin color is given to the neck using small makeup brush to give somewhat oranges tinge to the neck. Again, I have switched to the small makeup brush and giving that skin color to the lower portion of the neck. The face shadow is falling onto the neck, so we are giving Van Dyke brown between them. Using black and Van Dyke brown and round brush number 000, I'm painting the eyes of Yashoda Maiya. same color is used to give some dark shades to the lips and the nose too. Some further detailing to the face, and then our face would be done. Now I'm using Van Dyke brown and more black color and flat brush number 2, and I'm going to paint the hair of Yashoda Maiya. You can either switch to a bigger brush, let's say flat brush number 4 for bigger portions, and a small brush at the smaller portions. Now I'm using flesh tint white, very less burnt sienna and crimson color, and I'm going to start to paint the arm of Yashoda Maiya. Using previous color and more burnt sienna, I'm going to apply the color using round brush number 00 and merge the colors using flat brush number 0. We'll switch to skin color now. Again, the same colors are used as the previous color, that is the skin color plus more burnt sienna color. The previous skin color and a small makeup round brush is used. I'm directly applying the color using that brush. Previous skin color plus more burnt sienna, and I'm using the same small makeup brush to give darker shades to the arm. Once the arm is completed, we'll start painting Krishna's skin. It's very important for you to know that the pressure we apply onto the brush while we are painting, if you want a darker or more color, then we'll put more pressure, and we want to just drag that colors, they will limitize the pressure onto the brush. Using white color and skin color with the use of small makeup round brush, I'm giving some highlights to the arm. So this was the part 3 of this painting. So let's meet in part 4.